Welcome or welcome back to the channel. I'm Artsy and this is our development series where we focus on developments taking place in Montego Bay, Jamaica and across the world. If you're interested in these types of videos, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe. Today we're doing updates on some developments I showed you guys before. Remember the construction site I showed you guys several weeks ago along the Marco Brown Road in front of Vista Prince, right by West Green Avenue? Well, you're in for a surprise. Today, I am going back over to that place that I showed you in front of Vista Prince. And then we're gonna go over Barnett Tech Park. But first, when me see from here, so not possible because the boat it hasn't been a month since I showed you guys the construction that they were doing right at the edge of Catherine Hall community. No one building that me see put out. Hold on, I have to go across the road. I'm gonna go Barnett Tech Park first, but then hold on, I have to check this out first. What's it saying to me? So this is West Green Road and right here is Dr. Marco Brown Road. Yeah. See? West Green Road. I can't believe so them actually put up a building already. Remember I was standing right at that Ruby sign where they say you're approaching Ruby's Mega Mart, but of course Mega Mart is further down. Anyways, let me see if I can cross. Show you the sign as proof. Right here I was standing, Dr. Marco Brown, and this Ruby sign. Alright, now we're gonna cross the road over to Vista Print and then I'm gonna go to Barnett Tech Park. Here's the building from across the street. I am on another quest, so I'm not sure I'll be able to walk further into, I remember I'm gonna drive. Walk further into Catherine Hall to see the other side that I showed you guys. So I may have to do that one another day because I'm kind of on another business, and because me I come out that side there, me decide say let me do an update on these sides. But the other side, it could be too further in Catherine Hall. I'm not sure I may have the energy to do that. We'll see. I'm not sure. I'm not promising or nothing. We just have to get a pricks over Barnett Tech Park and see what over there look like. Yeah. From over here, so it looks like the building is finished, painted and all, sign written on it. Okay. Remember the video that I did where they say they have bird shack over here now? See a big bird shack sign there. So it's on that complex. I'm gonna get a cross the road and see if I can get a closer look. Hope the car then, but I'm not drive fast now that you see me across, you know, because some of them love doing something they see. They see you crossing the road and them just speed up. Yeah. Drive through and all. See. Papa Plaza too. Alright, around the other side of the plaza. I'm pretty sure I know around here, so look already. I don't want to do a walkthrough, so I'm just showing you guys a quick look at what's there. It even looks like they have Sagicor as well. Yeah. This is the decoration here or there. There. And then this is the entrance. Yeah. Seating area it looks like to eat. And a bird shack over there.